All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so I'm doing this video for Jimmy, but this is his video. He's in school right now. But anyway, I'm going to show you his new shop project. So let me get this camera turned around. Let me get this garage door opened up, and I'll pull out the project and give you a look at it. All right, so here's Jimmy's new little shop project. He got tools for his birthday. His birthday was the 12th of October, and a few days later I went and bought this for him. Actually, I got to do this video pretty quick because I have to go get him from school, and in a little bit I'm going to be going up to the mountains with a couple of my buddies for a YouTube meetup. So anyway, the plans for this is we're going to obviously swap out the seat. We're going to put sheet metal down here to close this in a little bit, and we're going to do that all the way around the entire car. And this Predator motor actually runs pretty good, and we're going to keep this Predator motor on there temporarily until Jimmy gets used to driving it, and then we're going to swap the Predator motor out for a dirt bike engine to go a little bit faster and have a little bit more fun. Obviously, we're going to need new tires. The two front tires are flat. The two back tires are mismatched. We're going to need new shocks. And I'm going to get him a better steering wheel for it. And we're going to do something with these belts too. They're pretty old and pretty worn. And we're going to go to the junkyard and see if we can't get some better ones. But anyway, yeah, I just did a burnout with this thing, and that wheel right there is missing 3 of the 4 lug studs. So yeah, he's going to be real impressed with that when he gets home. But the idea for this little go-kart is he wanted his own little shop project, and I told him that he's in charge of the build, and I'm going to assist him. That's all I'm there for. I'm just there to assist him. He is going to build it. As far as that goes, like, I have my truck and my camper that I have for shop projects, and he wanted his own. So, but yeah, I just wanted to do this video real quick and show you Jimmy's new car. 12 years old and has a car already. And once we swap out that Predator motor and put that motorcycle engine in there, it's going to be a screamer for sure. He wants to repaint the red. He wants to get rid of the red and paint it lime green. And I'm going to have to try to find another Metal Militia sticker. Maybe I'll go to like Spencer's or something like that in the mall and see if they have one. But that's the one thing that he doesn't really want to change, and I told him you can't paint it with that on there. So yeah, but anyway, there you go, guys. There's Jimmy's new shop project. Pretty cool, huh? But yeah, I had to clear him out a spot in the garage. So this side is his side, the other side is my side. But with all the crap in my boat right now, you can't really see my side. But anyway, this is his little work table. He's learning how to burn wood and use a little Dremel tool, stuff like that. He wants to do some stuff to pass the time, so that's cool. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. We do appreciate it. So what'd you think about that? I think it's pretty cool, and I think it's really cool that he wants to work on it himself, and he only wants me there just for assistance, just for a little advice and maybe a little bit of help turning wrenches and stuff, but it's his project. So yeah, anyway, I got to get going. Joseph and Hector should be here pretty soon. I don't know when they're going to show up, so I was just told they were going to show up after the kids got out of school. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys another time. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber to this channel and you like this content, please, fucking bug, did you see that shit? God damn. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, smack the notification bell in the face, and hit that like button. We'll talk to you guys another time. Thanks for watching.